In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a personal workflow in Wrike. This is a fantastic way to tailor your project management environment to better suit your individual needs and enhance your productivity. Whether you're coordinating a team or just managing your personal tasks, customizing workflows can help streamline your processes. So let's dive in and get your personal workflow all set up in Wrike. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Wrike website. You'll want to log into your account if you aren't logged in already. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where all the action happens in Wrike, and you'll get a good overview of your projects and tasks. And take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're a new user. Next up, look for the section labeled Personal on your dashboard. This is where you'll be focusing today, as this section includes all the tools you'll need to create a personal workflow. Click on Personal to open it. It's a straightforward area where you manage tasks and set up environments that are uniquely tailored to your working style. Now, within the Personal section, you want to locate and click on Project or Folder. This part is crucial because it allows you to organize your tasks effectively. Think of projects and folders as the main structure where all your work tasks, deadlines, and notes are stored. Clicking here will enable you to start organizing your spaces according to your personal priorities. Once you've selected your project or folder, it's time to create a project name. A good practice here is to choose a descriptive and straightforward name, as this helps in maintaining clarity and structure. Naming convention is key in staying organized, especially when you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. Next, you'll want to go to your profile. This is where you'll make more personalized adjustments to settings that suit your needs. You can find your profile at the top right corner of the dashboard. Simply click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Settings. This is where you can adjust your account preferences. Tailor settings such as notifications and appearances according to what keeps you most productive. After you've made your settings adjustments, look for Account Management in the menu that appears. Within this section, you're given a variety of tools to customize how Wrike works for you and your team, if applicable. This is where you have an overview of your current plan and any administrative settings. Finally, click on Workflows. Here's where the magic happens. You can set up your personal workflow, define task statuses and transitions that are most applicable to the way you work. This is a powerful feature, allowing you to articulate the stages of your tasks from conception to completion. Customizing your workflow helps you maintain control over task management and ensures that every step in your project aligns with your desired outcomes. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a personal workflow tailored to your specific needs in Wrike. Enjoy a more organized and efficient project management experience. Thanks for joining and happy working.